Hey guys, Blake Holbergs with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Yamaha 222SE. So we'll start right here at the helm where I'm sitting at. So you got a nice Yamaha steering wheel here. So this boat is going to be, it's going to have digital start-stop buttons and digital throttle here. All right, so there's no cable driving these throttles here, so it makes super smooth shifting and easy maneuvers when you're at low speeds. We got some manual switches here, and then our nice big Yamaha Connect screen. So this is fully touchscreen as well as controllable with the remote here. You can find your chart plotter, all of your engine management and whatnot is gonna be found on this screen here. You can see right now we're displaying some water temp right now. We're gonna move up to the bow real quick, take a look at the step-up system that we've got in the bow here. So underneath here is your bow ladder. All right, so that'll drop right down into the water. You've also got some anchor storage in here. And then when you got that ladder drop, you can close this lid back and you've got a nice C-deck step system straight back into the boat. You pull this cushion off, you got a third step there. Pretty cool if you're using the bow, it's kind of like a diving board or something. Underneath each of these seats, you've got storage up here in the bow. You've also got your sun pad cushions that are going to fill in this entire bow and have the whole thing cushioned up here. Just an idea for size, I'm about 6'3". You can see I can stretch out in this bow, so you could easily fit a good handful of people up here. Make our way back. You can see one of the features of the SE is going to be this larger bimini. So you got a nice big bimini atop this tower, gives you a lot of sun coverage in the cockpit itself. You got this cooler here, right? So that's going to come with the boat as a dedicated cooler storage spot. And then you'll notice as we go throughout the whole boat, you do have storage under almost every single seat, and all the seats have got a little bit fine details with the diamond stitching. Once again, that is just unique to the 222SE model there. You got that on both captain's chairs, and they both are full swivel. You can see we've got the co-captain's chair spun around, kind of using this as an entertaining area. And then the fun part of this boat is hidden underneath these loungers here. You got your twin Yamaha 1.9 jet motors there. So it's a lot of power. It's about 400 horsepower combined on this boat. It's a lot of power for 22 feet, especially if something doesn't weigh a ton. So you can have a lot of fun on this boat, be super comfortable while you're doing it. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can just give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbergs.